Mabuhay!
This is Papu,
Howard,
Billy,
And Pat.
and
we are Old Flamingo! Live loud!
Hi, so first question. How did your collaboration with Last Dinosaurs happen?
Alright, so I was at a Leve concert dito recent sa PICC, and then meron akong friend na in-introduce yung isang person. So nag-hello siya sa akin. Tapos naalala niya 5 minutes later na parang, wait lang, hinahanap nga pala ng Last Dinosaurs yung opening or something like that. So nag-exchange kami ng emails doon. Kasi cut to siguro mga a month later from that concert. Nag-email sila at nilink na kami with the management of Last Dinosaurs, and the rest is history. Is it? Not yet.
Not yet.
So yun lang. So kung hindi ako nagpunta dun sa concert, mangyayari ba to? Hindi ako sure.
Probably.
I'm not sure. Baka naman. Baka mahanap pa rin naman yung email address na at some point in there.
The prompt of the collab was anything. So it was very broad. So they wanted to re-envision or reimagine their album, Himeno Garden. Tapos, yun. So we picked the song Sense, and then we could do anything we want with it, na vocals. So we could think about new lyrics or put our own twist in sa song. So we decided to sort of change the story na conversation siya between two people instead. Tapos yun, we wrote lyrics in our own language, Filipino. Pinoy pride. Philippines, number 1. Tapos, yeah, there. So, it was perfect because the language is very emotional. So, bagay siya dun sa story ng mga naghihiwalay na magjowa, which became the story.
Yung idea na gawin siyang conversation, saan siya nanggaling?
Sa utak ko. Yun, yeah, it was more of like we read through the lyrics. And then it was more of the story kasi of the song when we read it again it was more about like trust issues. May kutob siya na parang hindi tama nung itong nangyayari sa atin, so magle-let go na ako. Pero what's the other side, right? Na parang hindi mo naman ako pinapaniwalaan so hindi ko naman na ma-change yung mind mo. So bye na tayo sa isa't isa. So naging ganun siya instead. Yeah.
Yung maganda sa nangyari ay binigyan nila kami ng liberty to do what we want. Parang hindi nga kami nagpa-approve ng anything.
Yeah, wala siya, yeah.
Binigay namin.
Grabe yung trust, no?
Grabe.
just send it over.
Thank you.
Thank you talaga.
What was it like yung paghalo ng Tagalog with yung The Last Dinosaurs style of music?
Ang hirap. Sobrang hirap yun. Kasi iba yung diction English and Filipino. So, we had to change the melody completely to fit it in.
Pero yeah, it's cool kasi yung Tagalog naman is a rhythmic language. So it works well with Last Dino's music.
Yeah.
Na-pressure ba kayo na i-rework yung kanta na marami nang may alam?
Ang ganda ng question. Hindi ko siya inisip. Hindi natin siya inisip.
Yeah, I think syempre nakaka-conscious siya kasi you already like the song for what it is. But then it's also a good opportunity to contribute and to celebrate. Like they asked us to join them in celebrating the anniversary of that. So yes, it was both, I think, hard. I think
ang pinaka-nakaka-pressure kasi yung buong trust nila sa'yo Parang wala siyang prompt. Anything talaga. So what do you do with that, diba?
we just wanted to respect the material.
Yeah. So much so na hindi na namin binago yung lyrics ng unang part na kinanta nila Big. We retained it but used our own voice to it. Parang just to honor the existing song. Dahil maganda siya.
Grabe. Wow. Damn. No, you know what's funny? Super full circle moment kasi siya. So more than just representing the country,
Which is-
apparently representing the country. It's like, ano siya eh, we when we started the band, they were at the core of it, their music. So, mas yun siya. Yung feeling niya ay, damn.
It feels right naman to do this. Yeah, because we covered, well, like in our early sets, one of our songs there was a cover of a Last Dinosaur song. Yung Sunday from their debut
Night.
album.
Sunday night.
Sunday night. Ayun, so, yeah, it was we're very grateful na we got invited to.
So it's like beyond like representing the country. We didn't think about that actually.
Yeah.
It was more of like, oh my gosh, para siyang meant to be situation.
And it also made sense kasi feeling ko ang dami.
Made sense.
Made sense. Dahil ang dami rin namang intersection. No? Parang I would say, there is a high likelihood that if you like O Flamingo, you would also love Last Dinosaurs in terms of like how they sound. So, okay naman siya. Meron lang parang kilig factor na parang, talaga, pinakinggan niyo? Kami?
Yeah.
Last question. Tonight you're opening for the band. How does that feel? Kasi nga sabi nyo parang full circle moment yung collaborating with them pa lang eh. So how do you feel now that you're opening for them on their return to Manila?
Wild. Kasi nung 2014, dun lang kami, dun sa baba,
No,
ng stage.
Nanood silang dalawa noon. And then hindi pa ako fan ng Last Dinosaur noon. And then,
Oh. Sa black market. Tapos parang, kanina parang, yo, ganyan.
sabi lang niya, uy!
So,
Lods.
yan, ano pa lang kami na, college kids. And parang inipon pa namin yung pera namin para makapunta sa Makati at para manood ng Last Dinosaurs. Sa black market, yung first ever nilang punta dito. Nabingi ako nun. Kasi nag-decide ako tumayo sa harap para makita ko yung gamit nila, yung gear nila. Tapos ngayon parang, pwede ko na tignan. Diba? So, ang ganda niyang full circle moment natin.
Yung feeling ay, wow.
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 This happened, mate?
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. It's all right. All right.
Alright.
It's all right.
If you are even remotely interested in what we do, check us out at O Flamingo Music on everything. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube,
LinkedIn.
LinkedIn, and email
And
address.
ano,
Yes.
corn pub.
Corn Pub. And we are proud to announce that next year is going to be the 10th anniversary of our first ever EP. So we have
Oh my
something
gosh.
special just
10th.
for you. And that also means that we are quite old already, but we are happy nonetheless because we have Junior
Strawberry wafer sticks. Thank you, Paul.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Paul.
Thank you, Last Dinosaur.
Thank you so much.